Today, we've got something super exciting for you. We're going to show you how to compress the size of your PDF files by a whopping 40%. It's a whopping 10 megabytes, and by the end of this video, we're going to shrink it down by 40% effortlessly. First things first, head over to the website we've linked in the description below. Once you're there, hit the upload button and select your PDF file. It's that easy. Now, pay attention because here comes the magic. After uploading your PDF, look for this specific option. Trust me, it's a game changer. Click on it, and then hit the compress button. And just like that, we're done. It's as quick and simple as that. Check it out, our once 10 megabytes PDF file is now sleek, compressed, and ready to go within just a minute or two. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Your support means the world to us.